going to be opening up our Spectar menu by taking your wrist and flipping. You'll see the Microsoft logo on your wrist. Give it a click. Now you'll see our Spectar menu on the pin menu. Select Spectar. As the Spectar menu is coming up, it'll prompt you to log in. You'll have your username and password, but for demonstration purposes, you'll be signing in as such. Once entering into our app, you will be prompted to pay attention to your palm, because that is where our Spectar menu is located. So by flipping your wrist again, you will have your Spectar menu on your palm and your Microsoft menu on your wrist. By selecting the Spectar menu, it brings you to where your projects are located as well as your tools and settings.